I'm the CEO of Mizizi Africa Homes Limited. And Mizizi Africa Homes Limited is a company that deals with offering affordable housing. And affordable housing is one of the agendas that we have here in our country. Our government has prioritized housing as one of the most important or crucial things that is needed for us to grow economically, so that we can grow from being an upcoming country to a developed country. Because at the moment, we as Kenyans, we are counted to be one of the third world countries. But that narrative, to change it, we need people to have affordable homes. So Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, in line with what the government is doing, offering affordable housing, we are a private developer that is in the forefront doing or supplementing what the government is doing and supporting what the government is doing, offering affordable homes to people who need these homes. What inspired me to start the company, Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, is a desire personally that I have to see people being housed. And personally, one of my biggest challenges as a person was that issue of paying rent. You find that the moment you get your pay, first thing that comes to mind is how you are going to pay rent. And you find that here in our country, some people you pay rent, then you need to move. Before you get the deposit, it becomes a tussle. There is pull and push. And again, that constant paying rent. So it's a service you are paying which you can't actually quantify. You can't justify why you are paying. It was a pain for me. And personally, I started the journey of owning a home. And in 2013, I managed to get a parcel of land somewhere. And together with my wife, we were able to get loans, combined our efforts. And in the year 2018, after 5 good years of hustling and struggling, we managed to have a home. It may not have been the dream home, but we stopped paying rent. And now, the moment now we started living without paying rent, together with the family, there was so much ease of mind. And that also made me now want to pass over the benefit of owning a home to other people. And I also had an opportunity to work in other real estates. And from there, I also got to understand the operations for a real estate company. Yeah, and together with now my desire and now having no the stress to pay the rent, I actually made the leap of faith to start the company Mizizi, so that we can also house other people who are going through the same challenge that I was going through. And for sure, after talking with people, a good number of people, we managed to onboard a number of customers who we walked the journey together. We again managed to secure a parcel of land, and we did our first project. We started that project in 2019, and with the customers, we managed to complete that project by the year 2020. Yeah, so it took us only 1 year. By September, we had already handed over. We started in August. By September the following year, we had already completed and handed over. And that one was the beginning of now the success of Mizizi, because from that one, we have managed to start others. And we believe we are going to get more and more people, because already we have managed to learn so many things, that some of which we did not know as we were starting. Now we are able now to work with the professionals, work with surveyors. We are able to maneuver, get to know what are the requirements when it comes to the counties and so on and so forth, what to look for when we are looking for land, the kind of soil. Yeah, we have managed within that time to also get to learn so many other aspects of construction, which now we are passing the benefit to our customers who are coming on board. Yeah, and for sure, we believe the sky is the limit. And when people hold hands, people who have a common goal, a common desire, when they come together, that unity of purpose, and they constantly continue doing it without being discouraged, there's that consistency, because consistency and your desire is very important. You need to have that zeal to move on, to continue. Do not give up. There may be ups and downs here and there, but if your goal is very clear, you need an affordable home, you need a home, for sure. Any other obstacles, and of course with God being in the middle of it, it is possible to be able to get that desire of an affordable home. In terms of capital, when we were starting Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, for sure what we had clearly set out is the goal, the vision, and the purpose and the mission. All those were very clear. In terms of capital, we managed to have a small loan, but that loan was basically to help us move around. It was not to be invested in the houses themselves. It was just to ensure we have a transportation. At least we are able to print flyers. At least we are able to pay the office. At least we are able to pay the staff, the few staff that we had, at least for 3 months. Even if we do not have business for 3 months, we managed to secure a very small loan with a bank, and at least I had worked, my credit rating was good. I was able to have a very small loan, which was not to be used in the construction. This was just to ensure that operations of the office are there. We are able to buy the furniture, the required tools that are required in an office, a computer to set up the office. And the other money that we got, this was basically customer deposits, because I was able actually to mobilize a team of a very able team of salespeople, people who have that desire to work very hard. Yeah, and now working with those people, we just needed to have an office and operational office, the computers and so on and so forth, things that you need to run an office. Then from there we had a very clear cut out dream of what we want to achieve. And again, we had identified a parcel of land, and we had talked with the seller. We knew he needed this much. He had given us this time. Yeah, now it was to kick the ground. For sure, Mizizi is a byproduct of step of faith. Faith, purely trusting in God and putting on the work, believing that for sure there is no turning back. Because personally, I had been employed for a long time, and I had felt it is now time I come from employment, I become I create employment, and we move this dream that was inside of me, that the passion that was inside of me burning. Yeah, so when we put God and we put a team of enthusiastic young people who are working, who are willing to work, who are ready to work, and for sure that is what made Mizizi come from now the dream that was there in the mind or in the head, and now to a reality, to what it is now, and actually the future. The sky is the limit. We are looking at a bright future ahead. Yeah. Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, so far we have 13 projects that we have started. Some of them, 2 of them we have actually handed over and people are living there. The rest, a majority of them are at the stage of completion. We have estates that will be handing over this year, and by next year most of them will be done, because our projects will give them a timeline of 1 year. At the moment we have we started with the Kenyatta Road, which is in Kiambu County, and there we have a number of projects, around 10. We have also a project in Kangundo Road called Asali Estate. Asali Estate is a project that we are doing the flat roofs, and we have available units there currently, and we are giving at a very affordable price of only 3.95 million if you pay in cash, or 4.25 million if you opt for the installment option, whereby we require you to pay an initial deposit of 2 million, then the balance you pay in 10 to 12 months 10 to 12 monthly installments. In these 10 to 12 monthly installments, that's when we also do the construction. So by the time you are clearing paying, we also conclude on the construction, and you are ready to occupy your house. We give you the key to your house and the title to your house. For sure, that is very affordable. If you compare with other developers, we are almost half the price. You will get another place. Yeah, we have also another project that we have in Kwale County called Kwangu Estate. We have moved to Kwale County, and this is an area where we as Mizizi, we have seen a lot of potential, because these are places even foreign investors, people who are coming from the diaspora, foreign investors, foreign direct investment. We are attracting them and thereby bringing the much needed foreign currency here in our country. So that's a place that we are welcoming people from all over the world, wherever you are, whether you are in Germany, Europe, any place that you are, this is a place you can invest, because a lot of people who are getting into those homes are foreign investors, foreign tourists who are coming to visit our country. They need a shelter. So that shelter we are giving it so that people who visit our country do not lack somewhere to sleep, and also affordably. We have seen that Airbnb also doing very well here in our country and all over the globe. Yeah, so this is something that we want to concentrate so much. We have a project in Kwale called Kwangu, where we are selling at only 4.95 million if you pay in cash, or 5.25 million if you pay installment. You give an initial deposit of 3 million, balance you pay in 10 to 12 months. This project comprises of 3-bedroom villas. That's what I've talked about in terms of price, and we also have 5-bedroom villas. A 5-bedroom villa, a very nice flat roof. You can utilize the upper part. Very well done. These 5-bedroom are going for only 6.95 million if you pay in cash, or 7.25 million if you opt for the installment option. You pay an initial deposit of 3 million, then the balance you pay in 10 to 12 months as we do the construction. And for sure, what I can guarantee you, these houses, by the time we complete them, they have already doubled in price. If you want to invest, then you get a return, you resell, for sure you'll get double the amount within a period of only 1 year. For sure, this is a return on investment you can't get anywhere. Even if it is to put the money in the bank, you can't get such a handsome return on investment. To get in touch with us, Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, our offices are located in Westlands, that is in Nairobi, Westlands, opposite Sarit Center. Right opposite Sarit Center, you'll find our offices, Mizizi Africa Homes Limited. And you can also give us a call. Our phone number is 020 790 2215. I say that again, 020 790 2215. Again, you can visit us on our website. We have our website, www.miziziafricahomes.com. You can visit us in our social media platforms, Facebook, Mizizi Africa Homes, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, all over. We are all over the social media. You'll be able to see our kind of work, and you're much welcome. We also take customer feedback very positively. Give us a feedback where we can improve, where we can do better. If you have a referral, give the referral to us. We'll appreciate, and for sure, the sky is the limit for us.